Hello and welcome back everyone to MoNeYCluTcH. Previously we did our weekly analysis for the upcoming week. Sorry, I have been absent for over a month and I have not uploaded in 4 weeks. So right now, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the charts. Okay? I hope everybody is doing good. You made good profits over the last month and a few weeks. So let's see how things work out for us right now. So you can see the daily time frame in gold we have bearish sentiments over here. As soon as the war started, gold started dipping, right? But if we ought to see the general trend of gold, it is still bullish. Okay, I am not gonna look for sales until it reaches closes below 42.72. This is the one area where I would be looking for sales. Okay, other than that we will only look for buys wherever we can. So let's find out the major areas. Hmm. Bearish on the 4 hour, bearish. Because in generally in gold we look for sales. Okay, so Monday when the market starts, what I will do is on Monday when market starts, we'll look for these areas to sell on the hourly. Another level over here which has been taken already. Anybody knows how I trade? So this is the trade we have easily. How much less? Check. 250 pips of stop loss. We're getting somewhere around 440 pips. Nice move that we could have captured, but this is gone right now. Only selling level in 4 hour, sorry, in 1 hour that we're gonna look in gold is this level. Consider this as tapped or not tapped, whichever way you like it. We go only for scalps. We're looking only for scalps. This is one area that is A plus level, top level, where we can sell. So this is not tapped. No trades have been executed. Area hasn't touched. Look for sales over here. Bottom and target. Have top loss of 100 pips. And a target of 45, 450 pips. And target this. Consider as 40, 400 pips. 100 pips will make a good 1:4, 1:4 trade. Gold. So this is all about gold right now. Go and oil. See, it's been rising and rising. It is bullish, no doubt about that. Power gaps have built. So if we have to trade over here, what I'm gonna do is So there are two buying levels here in oil. Target for buys. Price comes down over here in the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. This is one level. If it breaks and comes down, buys from this level too. Same thing. These are the two levels for oil. Let's see what will be the stop loss. Stop loss at 50 in around 600 pips in this one. Incredibly buy from this level, a hard buying level, bigger target from it. If it retraces from here, comes down, we can take one chance from here. And if it doesn't sustain, doesn't take the support of this level, we can buy from here. These are the two levels. All right, so done with gold and oil. Let's see currency market is doing. At the end, I'm going to give you something very knowledgeable thing, how to trade particular levels. Okay, sorry, how to trade particular time frames. I'll give that idea to you at the end. This is daily time frame. So this is turned bullish again. So if we go to buys in the daily time frame, so this is one level over here, and then we have another small level over here. Have another one. This is another level buy, but I am not too sure about this because this candle's closure has come just above this support zone. I would not trade this. I would rather wait a few days for price to come back to this level again. This is a plus level, so these are the this is the level that I'm gonna trade from if I have to. Right now, if we go down to 4 hour, 4 hour is pretty thick. So yeah, we can trade the 4 hour levels. This would be a great buy. We won't have to wait for this long for price to come down 400 pips or something. This is another level that we can look for buys. 4 hour, somewhere around 50 to 55 pips of stop loss. We can target this high, almost 200 pips. Be a good USDjpy. Yeah, right now this is the only trade over here in USDjpy. Let's see gbpusd. Bearish, bearish right now. On the daily, if we have to sell the level where I would take my sells. Take, so yeah, this is one level from where you can see for sales, and yeah, again we can go for this level as well. Price rebounces level, we can take a small sell from here with half lots, and if not, if this breaches, if the level breaches here, you can see for sales from this. This would be a good area for sale for sure. The level of selling that would occur over here is below one. I might not trade, but these two are A plus levels. both of them. The daily time frame. Go down to 4 hour. Yeah, this is a 4 hour level, nice and clean. The 4 hour level for sales. Yeah, if you don't want to wait 4 days, wait for the price to. If it falls from here, well and good. If it does this, we can look for good sells. At least, yeah, we can target this low. We can target this low. So will be 42 pips of top loss, and we can target at least around 230 pips over a course of 2 or 3 days. We have to. This would be a good trade in BBUSD 4 hour. I don't trade USD yet. Major pairs. If this only place, sorry, only place to look for buys is this level on the 4 hour. Like a great buying level here on the 4 hour. Other than that, no looking for sales because right now structure is bullish, still bearish on the data. Structure is still bearish. The daily time frame structure is bearish on the daily time frame. But yeah, if we want to go for buys, this is the only level that we look buy from. Buy from. Have to. A high probability trade, but if I have to buy, I would buy from. Let's check gap to. This is bullish, absolute bullishness. Buying levels, be the one. The two buying levels in USD get from in 1 hour time frame because yeah, in 1 hour this is bullish. If we have another USDC trade over here, 1 hour time frame, I would generally wait for this. Beautiful selling levels, untapped selling levels. The A plus out sells from there. Then we have another one. To ask which is the high probability trade over here, there are two trades. You can do this, or we can do this. Will be a better high probability trade. The A plus can target very long ranges over 1 or 4 hour time frame. Is it your currency, metal and oil? See what is going on in BTC. We have a fantastic buying level. On probability trade. This and then bounce back. This is how I would trade the week for next week. And yeah, a lot of things depends on the war situation that is going on in the Middle East. Yeah, all this geopolitical tensions and whatever there is. So I know whatever I have analyzed here and given the trades, shown the trades to you. Not every trade is gonna work out 100%, right? So there are some times when Trump tweets something and some geopolitical or the war news come out, market in it's manipulative, goes up, goes down, does whatever. But right now, as the market is closed, so we have analyzed everything according to that. So that is the thing. This is for the next week. So I have shown you gold, oil, major currency pairs, and few of the minor currency pairs as well. Right. So there is more to show because most of the people trading forex and futures are trading these elements only. These things I have shown, especially the ones with the prop firms or people who are trading personal capital. But there is something I want to show you, something educational. Okay, so thank for. So there is something that you need to understand or just memorize it or write it somewhere down. I don't care. So let's, for example, take a few things gold. Have so what are the time frames for these two? So to trade gold, do the TDA top down analysis. Okay, from higher to lower time frame, from weekly to daily to 4 hour to 1 hour. But if you ask me what is the best time frame trade gold, that will be 15 minute. 15 minute is where I trade and I find it the most desirable time frame to trade because we're just scalping in gold. In trade mode, it's scalping. Okay? This is how I trade gold. If you ask me about oil, If I have to trade oil, the lowest time frame I would go to is 1 hour. Nothing less than that. I don't trade 15 minutes on the oil because it is a little volatile, in my opinion. This is trade mode will be. Let me write all of this. There's general time frame of, let me things easy for you. So three modes of trading here. Pay attention. If we are only trading gold, best time frame 15 minutes. We do scalp. Okay? So in 15 minutes we get great 100, 150, and 200 pips of scalping ranges in gold. So the best time frame for this is 15 minute, and best mode of trading gold is scalping. Then we have oil. So if anybody trades oil, so that would be 1 hour, 1 hour time frame. That would be the best for trading. And for trade mode, go for day swing, nothing more than that. We don't hold because you know after closing and in that 1 hour gap, anything can happen, and also the swap charges high. And for currency pairs, 4 hour is the legendary time frame. Don't go below that. All right, don't go below 4 hour. 4 hour is the best time frame to trade because yeah, all the major currency pairs that you trade like Euro USD, GBP USD, USDJPY, everything it reacts the best from 4 hour time frame. Don't go to 1 hour. Don't go to 15 minutes. Just trade the 4 hour. It would be great. You will get healthy ranges for lots of profits. And these are swing trades. You can hold it for 1 day, you can hold it for 7 days, 20 days, depending on the trend that you have got. So this is you can trade how you can trade your account. Either it's gold, oil, or currency pairs. You don't need to trade all of these at once. Just take two trades a day wherever you can find. You can either find it on scalping on gold, you can find hourly on oil, or you can just put this 4 hour time frame on currency pairs and yeah, take a trade and just forget it. That way you can do major profits. Okay, so this is just a little educational content for if anybody is beginner. And with all of this being said, so yeah, it feels good to be back making another educational video, uh, providing information and trend bias for the next week. So I hope you all enjoy and make some good profits from everything that I have shown here. And if you like the video, if you like the content, please like the video, share it with your friends. Okay. Also do subscribe and do recommend it to your friends too. And for all the social media handles, you can just tap in the link below. I mean, everything is in description. Please go and follow me on Instagram, uh, Twitter, and you can join our Telegram, and we are even in Discord. So there are four social media platforms. All I have linked below, and if anybody wants to know which broker I use, I would pin them to the description too, so it would be easy for you. All right. So yeah, please, as I'm new here making content, and I'm extremely sorry I'm not being so much fluent in English, and I haven't been I haven't been very fluent with my English right there. So please forgive me for that. But Other than that, yeah, if you do like the content, please go like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, join on Telegram and Discord. I would be there. I would be talking to you personally. I would be replying everyone, whoever comes first, whoever engages in a conversation, need to learn or need to ask something. So I would do that for you. So till then, take care. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next week. Maybe we may hold some streams. I'm in the mode of streaming this week, at least two, three, or four, five streams this week out of the London and New York session. 10 streams. I would at least try to do 3 to 4. So see you on the stream. Okay. Till then, make profits, clutch it. Bye bye.